Get her.
I am.
Come on, guys.
Good throw. Hi, puppy.
Good morning. I like these long.
Look, here comes another duck. See? He says, Ava's here giving out bread and I want a piece too. See? I guess I should stand over here.
See, I want it again. See? I want it.
I think this little birdie wants a piece. Can you give this little birdie a piece? Oh, he got it.
Look a piece. Whoa, good for Birdie.
Here. Okay, one more.
Look, Ava, look at all the duckies that are coming. Look, over here. Look over here. Look, Ava, more ducks. They all want some bread from you.